I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserve